Our matter is that should gender codes be allowed or not. Wear team A, wear with emotion, and we will speak that gender codes should be allowed. And their team B, they will speak that gender codes should not be allowed. So as per me having looking the gender means economy of the India, I think that gender codes should be allowed.
But I don't think so that gender codes should be allowed as you're saying about the economy. But I'm not saying that, to increase the cost of tickets. I'm saying that there should be the reservation. Like all the seats should have the reservation that everyone will get the proper seat. Because when the people do not have the proper seat, so anyone comes and they started to fight that please shift, why are you not shifting, and like that, that it's your father's coach, and like that they started to speak, and they started to use the misword because of seat. But if they will provide the proper seat by the booking, so there will not be any kind of the fight.
I have a question for Team B. That you stated over that like we should add reservation in the general coach, right? I have a question that suppose that you get a dream job and that you are outside of your state or on that suppose that you are not in your state currently, on that time you one of your family member gets sick, on that time you want to go to your state, but on that time there is no train seat left, on that time I definitely can say that you will take the general coach, and if the general coach not having any seats on that time, then definitely you will go without a ticket.
But on that time we can use the roadway also.
But it will be, but on that time it will be more costly because of the petrol.
So I want to give you the answer of your question that you are saying that we will take the general coach or such as such. So I am saying that in the India it is a very big country, and it is only not one train for every station. We are having many of the train, and if we are not having, so we are having a part that we call the Tatkal, in which we take it currently at that time. Like my mother went to the Indore before some days, and we have booked the train. But after my mother said that I have to go on the 5 at the place of 6, and just one day was left, and my father booked the train by the Tatkal. And currently he booked, and if there was no any choice, so she just went by the other train or any other option.
I would like to give an example of Bihar where the Chhath Puja is happening every time. So on that time, whenever the Chhath Puja happens, there's no train seat left on that time so many times. On that time, what we should do on that time, the general seat for that those people who's not able to buy the ticket on that time. The general seat is for them, and you are saying that if we allow the registration, there are so many people who will not able to go there and stay. And from the general coach on that time, everyone will try and give their best for going to their state.
But in the general coach, they created too much crowd, and you all know that in the COVID time there should be the social distancing. If they will all be the reservation coach, so distancing will be maintained.
I think if no one was going their state or their home or at the COVID time.
Again, I don't think so because that there are much population in India. So the general bogie who have no much cost. So they are in the general bogie. There are much rest in the general bogie. And when the general bogie have the accident, so the people will not count fully because in the general bogie there are 1,000 people. So the 1,000 people. So the media count that in the general bogie there are 500 people.
But I think that general coach should be very important for the poor people because they don't have much money to buy sleeper coach and AC coach. So I think that general coach should be very important for the poor people.
I'm not agree with you because there should be no any general coach because if there will be general coach, so what the people do, they just go without the ticket and they always break the rule of the railway, and breaking rule is very bad things, and this.
But in the registration bogies, you will see the limited booking. At that time, what about the people who are left? What do you think? I have already they can do the booking in that thing. And to be such a condition. To in a such a condition where there will be so much crowd, it's not good because in such a crowd so many accidents happen. And like when I was coming from the Mumbai, it was a Vasco da Gama train and it was having too much crowd in the sleeper also. It was a sleeper and there was a reservation. But because of that general train, the reservation also broke. But if there will be the reservation in every seat, there should not be such a general or other thing. There should be the reservation. And like Devanshi Didi stated that the poor people cannot afford. So I'm not saying that to increase the price of the ticket. I'm saying that just give the every seat on the booking that a person have the particular seat and like that. So I'm not saying that to increase the price it will not be costly. It will be as similar.
I would like to give the answer to your first statement that you stated there are so many trains. But suppose that you are going to your state or your home and on that day there is an occasion like Chhath Puja, Diwali. So on that day I'm definitely I can tell you that there will be no seat left at every train. Tatkal and every train you will see there will be no seat left. On that is not very deep. On that time you will use the general coach. It's recommended in our India. If you didn't get any seat on that time you can use the general coach.
So it means you want to say that to increase the crowd of general coach, right? You mean to say that there is a coach for the people to travel in the less distance, so they have to just increase the amount of people and the crowd in that coach. It doesn't matter that if you want to go in your village, so you should try next time because everyone is doing the booking or such kind of a thing from the before. Like the people, every train booking is started from before 4 months, and you should book such a time. Not like you are saying that if you are not having, it's your fault. Then why are you not doing such a booking at that time?
I have a question for you. I think you want to become a doctor, right? So what do you want to do? I suppose that if you want to crack the APSC and on that time your center is out of your state. On that time there is no seat, no trains is left, and no train seat is left. So on that time what will you do?
I will lose the by road effect.
And the by road will be more costly than the train. So what will you do?
Because I want to keep the exam of that, so I will afford it. Why? Because it is urgent, but any festival is not that much urgent of a people life. That in a crowd, many of the people die also.
I also want to give you an answer that you said that if your center is out of the state, so I want to give that answer that the admit card comes before 1 or 2 months for the exam. So we can book.
Suppose that you didn't book on that time. So what will you do? Suppose that I'm just saying suppose that I would like to give you the answer of first statement that as you stated that I will go from the by road and anywhere I will go. Right? On it without spending much money, you can go in a general coach without spending much money. You just need to go on the railway station and on that time you have to go in the general coach.
A little money is not able to catch. A little money is not equal a life. That in a crowd, such like people push to someone and some people die, and that is little money you can spend and save someone's life. I am saying that if there will not be general coach, so there will not be crowd. There will not be crowd, so accident will become less. But do you know if when any train accident happened, so whatever the count of general coach, that will not be count.
As far as I have information about you that you all are talking about, should general coach be allowed or not? And you are in the motion that the general coach should be allowed. Okay, and you are in the motion of general coach should not be allowed. Before some days ago, you would have seen an accident happened with the Coromandel Express. In that train, there may be the 1,000 person who would have traveled on a general coaches. What do you think about that?
Sir, I think that many of the people travel in the general coach, and when the 1,000 people died, but we are just having that 280 people died, and we are just counting that, and the media is only counting that. And whatever the people died in the general coach, they are not having any kind of the counts. Like who were the sleeper coach, they were having the booking. Yes, that person traveled in that train. But who was not having any kind of the booking, and they were traveling in the general coach, so there was no any counting, and they died, and their body to be thrown.
Sir, as per me, if they were traveling in the general coach, so it was not their mistake. It was the government mistake because government is not having any kind of extra rules. Like we have the old rules and we are following their rules only. We should have some extra rules for them also because people are traveling in the general coach because they need. They are not able to afford any kind of booking. They are not having any kind of resource for booking. So I think that there is not any mistake of people. There is mistake of rate and there is mistake of government.
I'm also agree with my partner.
I would like to ask question to the whole party because you are debating on such kinds of topic. I have a question with all of you once again. That what do you think? Whose fault it was?
I think it is the fault of government because at the time the railway minister also saying that it's a fault of technical glitch, but just for saving money they're just doing this, and that's a fault.
I think that is the fault of railway because they said that they are going to make some new rules, but they didn't apply it. Now on that it was also the mistakes of the people who were on duty, like about the station master who gave the wrong information to the loco pilot. I think this is the mistake of railway.
And I think that there was a mistake of railway also and the ministers also. According to me, the railway fault was that they were not having the information on that track that there was a road, means there was a train